Hello friends, welcome to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the commands which uh, and circle and arc command. Okay, the line command we have done in the previous video. So this for the arc and circle command we will make that L shape L bracket L joint bracket to learn about those commands. So line command will also be used here. So let's start without wasting our time to make our alphabet. A new part. We're going to make a part. Okay. Sketching workbench is opening. As soon as workbench will open, we will start our L shape bracket or L joint bracket. You can say L bracket or L shape plate. Anything you want to say to join two pipes or two components in a L shape. So by default, it opens in the sketchers. On the top plane, I'm going to sketch, selecting plane and sketch. Here first I will choose line, center, and from center to above, then here like this. Okay, that's it. I need not need this line, so I'm deleting it, giving dimensions to it. Let me give dimension to this line to be let it be 100, and this one happened. Okay, I have selected midpoint. Summer dimension to this line. Let it be so define dimensions are given. Now I will choose center point arc, choosing this as center from here to here, and similarly here from here to here, and okay. Now I would like to give some constraints to it. This line plus this arc should be tangent. Okay, right. Now trim this extra part and okay. Now I have to give this dimension, that is 100, enter. Okay, close. Now so this point and this point should be merged. Okay, now I'm giving dimension to this circle arcs, sorry, the radius. We'll 25 as the radius, and here I will give the radius as 20, and okay, fine. This much has been done. Now I will select a circle. On the same center point, I will make a circle there and there. Now give dimension to both of the circles. The radius of this circle would be 25. Enter. And the radius to this circle, sorry, diameter to this circle would be 20. Enter. Fine. Now we have learned about the how to make an arc and circle in this Now we have a fillet also. Fillet, select this and this. Give today to be 40 and enter right like this. This is our L-shaped joint. L joint. You can add the component here and here. It will be turned into 90 degrees. And okay, you can exit the sketch. Here we have our sketch. You can make it to 3D. Here we have our sketch like this. So that's all for today. We have learned our fillet, arc, and circle. Three commands and line we have done earlier in the previous video. So, and I hope you have understand this circle and arc, how we can use circle and arc. In the next video, we will learn about other commands. This much is fine for today. Do practice and have fun. Thank you very much. We will meet in another video with